Ella and Gigi are nice.
Oh, those horns
I'm gonna go put some repellent on. Shannon, do you want some?
No, thanks.
Okay.
Man, Ella's sweet, but she's like an awful mother. Like, except for when he's drinking milk, she's never around him. And like usually, the moms are really protective over them, but I went in front of Ella once and picked up a baby and she didn't do anything.
Oh, wow. Your research. Yeah. Well, you could definitely ride these things.
Yeah.
There is lots to hold on to. That's lovely. Well, you're a mom. You need all the nutrition. Well, it's core, so there's absolutely none, but you know. Just try not to poke me in the eye. Yeah. Take some leftovers. Yeah, seems like
It's really
sweetie.
funny. Yeah, but I remember when he was a baby, whenever I would bottle feed him, he'd like, he'd jerk his head forward to get more milk and like the bottle would slam in my face.
Oh.
And then whenever I was finished feeding him, he'd get mad because he'd want more and he'd chase me around the yard. So I'd always run up the steps, and one time he actually followed me up the steps.